We have a situation. One of our own is trapped behind enemy lines. Your mission is to get her out.
This is the search and rescue team. We have landed and request confirmation of the journalist's exact location.
I'm in the basement of the collapsed news building. There are enemy patrols outside.
Where is the basement of the news building? How many enemy soldiers are there inside? Over there! In the basement! Only 3 enemy soldiers are there!
Hold off the enemy and move around to the rear quickly!